know that in syllabus, in English language teachings, there are many criteria about syllabus. The first is procedural syllabus, and the second is cultural syllabus. The third is about a situational syllabus, and then uh, number 4 is about a skill-based syllabus, and then a structural or formal syllabus, and then a multi-dimensional syllabus, and then a task-based syllabus, a process of syllabus, and learner reading syllabus, and then a proportional syllabus. But the first is a procedural syllabus. We know that the procedural syllabus was proposed by Prabhu 1960. That is based on the promise that structure can be best learned when attention is concentrated on meaning. We know that a procedural syllabus must be based on the system of and the rule of the good syllabus. The second is about the cultural syllabus. Stern stated in 1992 introduces cultural syllabus to be incorporated into a second or foreign language. Number third is a situational syllabus. The situational syllabus must be based on the audience or the place. With this type of syllabus, the essential component of organization is non-linguistic. You know that's not linguistic. It is not based on the grammar. And then the fourth is about a skill-based syllabus. In this syllabus, the content of the language teachings involves a collection of particular skill that may play a role in using language. The next is the structural or formal syllabus. This syllabus are recognized as the traditional syllabus, which is often organized along grammatical lines, giving primacy to language form. The focus is on the outcome of the product. The next is about a multi-dimensional syllabus. Multi-dimensional syllabus, for example, there's some including important function orders. The next is about task-based syllabus. Task-based syllabus supports using talks and activities to encourage learners to utilize the language communicatively to ask to act as if a book was. Okay, because the time is over. Our material will be go to the next week, and I'm sorry about my mistake. Now let us ask and give benefit about this chapter, exactly about the syllabus in English language teaching. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.